you ready? Dakota is going to shoot the blue turkey with his BB gun. All right, Dakota, one shot. If you miss, the turkey gets away. I think you hit it. It didn't pop. Shoot him again. Don't let him get away. Hurry. He's wounded. He's wounded. Oh, all the way up. Oh, there you go. Oh, he forgot. Okay. Oh, you hit it again. Man, I tell you what, that is a tough bird. That blue turkey is tough. You better shoot him again. I don't know if you're going to be able to kill him or not. You're hitting him all the way up. All the way. There you go. Shoot him again. You missed. That turkey is about to run away. One more shot, Dakota. Put him on the ground. Shoot that blue turkey. Okay. There you go. You got him. You got him. He's going down. He's losing air pressure.
He's old. He's old now. Look, he's old.
Now he's all wrinkly. Yeah, he's got him. Good job. Death of the blue turkey. Let's see. Hold it up. Show us your blue turkey. Not a lot of meat on that bone, is there? Congratulations. You killed the blue turkey. You want to mount it and put it in your room?
No.